Well, nothing like last night, but we do have some light showers rolling through part of the Piedmont, including this one little area from near Silver Valley to Asheboro and then back up through northeastern Randolph County into Guilford County. Last night we had some incredible rain, and some of it produced some incredible views like this double rainbow. So where was this picture taken? Details on this and much more at 10:30. All right, last night at this time, some of you were getting some real heavy rain. Tonight, it's just some light sprinkles coming up through Elon and Gibsonville, moving into Burlington and into the Graham area, some sprinkles. Also a little rain around Asheboro and also back down in southern Rowan County, all this moving northeast. Nothing to it, and most of it's going to be falling apart. Look at the numbers outside. Already 57 in Jefferson. We've got upper 60s to near 70 in the Triad cities. Tomorrow night at this hour, I bet we're going to be in the mid-60s. It's really going to be very nice for the next few nights. This night, we'll bottom out around 60 degrees at daybreak tomorrow morning. 75 at lunchtime. Real nice day to be out and about for lunch, and through the afternoon, 82. A lot of sunshine. It's not often we start the month of July with comfortable weather and hardly any humidity. Now, we did have a lot of rain last night, and that's part of what's made it so nice now. The front that pushed that through here is bringing the nice weather in now. But look at the rain from last night. You can see south of Moxville, back just northwest of High Point, back over toward Hornytown, then back up in the north side of High Point, back on the north side of Greensboro. Also areas around Burlington and south of Burlington near Snow Camp, and also west of Danbury. The yellow. 2.5 to 3 inches of rain fell for some people. Otherwise, most people got around an inch to an inch and a half. Quite a system. As we take a look at the rainfall officially that will go in the record books for the Triad at the airport had a 3-day total of about an inch and a half, and that's about average. Several folks reported much more than that, and some folks, though, like in southern Stokes County, got less than that. Now, as we look at our yearly total, we're now at 17.5 inches, just under 4 inches below normal, and fortunately, we are now above last year's pace on rainfall. And the rainfall last night brought a beautiful sight. This picture was from Kernersville. It's a double rainbow. Now, I know this was also seen by some folks in Greensboro, including Neil McNeil, also seen by some folks in High Point. In different parts of the Piedmont, people saw the double rainbow. Real simple, what happens is when the sunlight goes through the raindrop, sometimes there's enough energy to go through and hit another and bend again. It's reversed, but you get a dimmer secondary rainbow. Sometimes there could even be more. And I have written a blog. If you go to our website in our blog section, you will actually see a blog explaining double rainbows and how they form. A little bit easier to explain on the blog than I can in a few seconds here. But again, you can see that rainbow that was across the Piedmont. Thanks for sending that picture in. Let's talk about what's going on out there tonight. We go back to this afternoon. We had some showers and storms coming down off the mountains. Most of those started to fizzle out, and again, just a couple of leftover showers tonight. A little upper level disturbance driving that through North Carolina tonight. And once that passes on off to our east, we are going to be done with it, because look at this nice area. Just nothing out here, no storms to talk about, just beautiful weather with high pressure that we're going to enjoy for a couple of days. And as the 4th of July rolls along, we should still be in pretty good shape, although late in the afternoon and evening, there's a chance for a shower or thunderstorm at 30%. But what's new? That's what we deal with every year. Now, if you're planning your outdoor fun for Saturday and Sunday, the chances for rain become greater those days. As a matter of fact, we'll see more widespread shower and storm activity as we go into Saturday and Sunday. If you're going down to the beach for the next several days, if you're leaving tomorrow, a slight 20% chance for a shower, otherwise partly cloudy. Beautiful sunny weather for Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday. Temperatures at the beach around 87. Nights will go back into the low 70s. And on Saturday, a 30% chance for a shower or thunderstorm and 85. We'll have to say, from what I'm seeing on the long-range charts, that Sunday's chance of rain will be higher down there. And then Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday of next week also have a chance of being rather wet. I think we're going to go into a wet weather pattern. Now, our water temperatures from the upper 60s on the Outer Banks today to the low 80s from the Crystal Coast to the Wrightsville Beach area back to the Spring Maid Pier on the south side of Myrtle Beach. It's 84 at the beach there. All right, our forecast for the Piedmont tonight, 60 for the low, a stray shower becoming mostly clear, and then tomorrow, lots of sun, comfortable weather, 82 degrees. Tomorrow night, look at that low, 58 for July the 2nd. That's when we wake up July 2nd. That's pretty unusual. And 85 degrees Wednesday, 88 degrees on Thursday, 88 on Friday with a 30% chance for an afternoon thunderstorm, and 50% chance on Saturday with a high of 86. Our 3-degree guarantee, 82 degrees for tomorrow, and our guarantee for Saturday was for 93 and it was 94. And a real quick special happy birthday to, we've got 3 camera operators out here behind these cameras tonight. We've got Stuart and Richard. They both have birthdays tomorrow.
Yes.
That's
and
scary.
this guy Jay over here beside him has a birthday on Wednesday.
I know. They're so nice and young.
So happy birthday, guys.
Yeah, they're a lot younger than we are, that's for sure.
No, oh, I'm being told don't give his age. He's nice and young, especially at home.
Okay, we'll put them on TV one of these days and get to see the people we get to look at. All right, thank you, Van. Well, the